Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my June IPSY original. So check this video out. Alright, so June IPSY original. So for those of you who are new to my channel, my name's Carrie. I make videos like this once a week where I sit down and chit chat with you guys about like unboxings and beauty and skincare and hair stuff, all, you know, stuff like that. So if you guys are new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button and the notification button so you know when I post my videos. Now, normally when I do my IPSY video once a month, and for those of you who always comment on my IPSY videos, I normally do my IPSY original and my IPSY extra together, or my IPSY original with the IPSY ultimate. I still have not gotten my IPSY extra yet, and it's still not even shipped. Being the middle of the month, it's still not even shipped. So I thought to myself, you know what, I'm gonna make two separate videos. So like I said, subscribe, hit the notification button. You can find out when I post my second IPSY video. And I had to go ahead and cut that because I was getting too blah 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 right now. And for those of you who do know me, and for those of you who don't know me, like we're real on this channel, so I do like stutter and it's all real over here. So but yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and share my IPSY original. Cute little bag. This is adorable. My mother-in-law got hers too when I saw the bag before I even opened up mine. I was like, this is such a cute little bag. Totally my color is hot pink with the black. I love that. And it's one thing that's really weird about this is the second month in a row that I have not picked anything for my IPSY original. I don't know what's going on. Normally I get the email saying, hey, it's time for you to go ahead and pick your choice. I have not been getting that. So I don't know if they're not doing it anymore, or they're not sending the emails out anymore. I don't know, guys. Let me know in the comments below if that's happening to you, because it is a little disappointing, I will say. All right, so what did I get this month for IPSY original? I love this. I love when they give you this little pamphlet with the 5 different things and explaining it and your little tip and how much it is and if it's a deluxe sampler or not. I wish the bigger ones would do that. That's just me, but I know that's kind of a waste of paper, but still, I do like it. All right, so let's see, first things first. Okay, I got a full-size gel liner in Travelisa, something like that. Probably a black color. Oh, great. And then for those of you who do know how real I am on this channel, I open everything on camera, so you guys know like my first thoughts. Sometimes I struggle where I have to stop and actually like get something to open this, but it just, yeah. But it's, yeah, this is how we roll over here. So full size, this is $19, which is not bad. This is by Reina, Rebelde, something like that. I think so. I don't know. I've never heard of her before. So I always try to, wow, we are just not focusing today. There we go. Interesting. So, okay, definitely a black color. Oh, yes. You know what? This is actually very jelly. It's black. Black is black. And it literally just like, it was literally like gel. So I actually like this. I'm actually really excited to use this one. I actually thought when I saw this on IPSY, I actually thought it was like more of a liquid. So I'm actually really excited to try this. So what's the second one? Okay, Skin & Co. I've had Skin & Co before. I love Skin & Co. They're actually really awesome. This is their face serum. I love this serum. So I will definitely be using this. This is such a cute little, look at how small that is. It's a cute little size. For those of you who don't know, what I do is stuff like this as I'm still vlogging, still blurry. Trying to say blur and vlog at the same time. We did a video on Bella's channel, and I didn't realize we kept going in and out. We were blurring, and we're blurring, or she's blurring most of the video. It's hilarious, but it still worked for her channel. So, all right, back to this. So what I like to do with these size products, like this is something I will use, okay? I'm not talking about the deluxe ones, but just like, or the regular size, or like bigger, you know, ones that I will use for more than 2 weeks. When it's just like a simple size like this, I actually like to put this in my travel to go bag. We have a summer home in another state, and sometimes we you know, go there. It's only, you know, it's not too far away. And I'll just have a bag of like all my face stuff instead of like, you know, the big huge bag. I'll just bring this. Or even when we go on vacation, if I just want to, you know, bring my travel bag of, you know, samples like this, if we're only gonna be gone for a week and I just want to get rid of the stuff, like that's when I use this stuff. Otherwise, the second thing that I do with stuff like this is I actually save my ones starting in like September, October, November, maybe even August. And I actually have, I bought boxes on Amazon, and I make a big, huge advent calendar for Riley. She's 17, so she gets like this beauty box every advent calendar, and she gets to open up herself with all these in there. So that's another thing that you guys can do, oh man, it smells so good. The full size of this is 80, but oh, this is serum actually. I thought this was actually a cleanser. It is a serum. I've never used the serum before. I love their cleansers. So, oh, okay, here's a tip. It says for the serum that you should press and not rub for most even absorption. So, oh my gosh, it smells so good. Okay, so this is a serum. I really thought this was actually just a face wash, but it really does absorb very differently than if you rubbed it in, so that's nice. I'm running out of serums for my little travel to go. All right, what else did I get? Okay, by Athar Beauty. I guess that's how you say it, A-T-H-R. This is their blurring powder in Rose Mesa. Oh, there's like a little elastic thing over here. So that, this is what the color looks like. All right, and this is the full size is 38, and it just says to dust over your T-zone to lock in, to lock in your look and reduce shine. So interesting. I don't know. I've never used blurring powder. I'm gonna go ahead and put it over this. Again, I am blurry. I don't know what's going on with my camera, guys, but like I said, we're real on here. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the black eyeliner and see what it does. And it actually made it like a charcoal color. Interesting. So my mother-in-law got one like this, but I think it was a highlighter. It was something that was really shimmery. So I actually really like this. Wouldn't mind taking this on my to-go instead of bringing like all my big stuff to go ahead, because I do get oily in here, or even like using something like this as like a travel. So got that. All right, by Pixi Beauty. This is the full size for $8. This is the HydraLip Treat Tinted Lip Balm. I did not know I was getting lip balm. I actually thought this was cheek. So swipe on for smooth to go, hydrate lips in a flash. So this is Rosette. Let's see, I kind of have some pink on me right now, but we'll go ahead and just do it anyways. Oh, it's cute. I like it. I really don't have makeup on right now, guys, as I like drop this. Normally in the summer, I just do like a tinted moisturizer and some mascara. So you get my own natural look when I do these summer videos. So for summer, just to have like a little lip, like tint of a lip color with, let's see, it's got hyaluronic acid and natural oils to treat and soothe dry lips. I like it. Hydration. And it's very smooth. So I think if your lips are chapped or anything, that is actually a good thing to try. All right, so next thing I got, and actually I didn't even show you. So obviously, Pixi. Sometimes I do that. I'm like thrown off because I'm only doing my bag and not my extra. It's so weird. All right, and then last but not least, by Feel. This is Feel Beauty. This is their exfoliating cleanser. So this is what it looks like. Okay, with the glare. Are we still blurry? Wow, man, guys, you just don't want to focus, but you know what? We're just gonna leave it because you know what? That's how it is on this channel. Okay, so the full size is $28. I looked up to see if I was still in focus. It says leave on skin for 60 seconds. before rinsing for a deep exfoliation. I can't even get this off. Really? Goodness gracious. My nails are a little too thick. Oh, here it goes. It's about ready to use my teeth, which would have been a bad thing. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on a little bit like this. I wanna smell it. Okay, not that bad of a smell. Oh, wow. This is a really, really nice scrub. Those of you who don't know, like, I'm really big onto scrubs. Like, if I have a scrub that doesn't feel like it scrubs, I don't like it. This one really feels like it scrubs, and that's what I like. So, I will say, like, I'm trying to scrub, there we go. I scrubbed the eyeliner off and it came right off. So that's really nice. So, all right, so that is everything that I got in my IPSY Original. I'm like, this is like so different for me because I normally do, like I said, both bags at once, but like I love this bag, so cute. But I would have to say, like, my favorite, I don't know. I'm actually really excited to try this black eyeliner. And I want to see how this really does absorb very well. And of course, like, the lips is good too. So I like, for once, I actually like all 5 products. Normally there's something like I don't like, and it might even be something that's not necessarily I don't like. It might be because like I like get brushes and I don't need brushes anymore. So I just, you know, don't really care for it. I'll just give it to my daughters, or just, you know, something that like, I don't know, some kind of makeup eyeshadow palette or something like that I just don't need it anymore. So I just, you know, but this is a good set of 5 things in my IPSY Original. So, like I said, that is it for this video. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I make videos like this once a week. I will definitely film my IPSY Extra when I get it. Hopefully we'll get it in within the next week, and then you guys can see this one right after the other. But let me know in the comments below what you guys got in your IPSY Original. And if you this month are waiting for your other bag longer than expected, because this is absolutely crazy. I know somebody told me when I posted my FabFitFun, I got my FabFitFun pretty fast, and they just got theirs, which was absolutely crazy because I want to say maybe I posted my video over a month ago about my FabFitFun and they just got it. So, but yeah, also down below is Bella Bean's channel. Make sure you guys are subscribed to her channel as well. We do crazy fun things over there. Mason's channel is going to be up soon. It won't be up with this video, but down below his channel will be linked down there as well. And then also down below is my TikTok, my Instagram, my LTK. Make sure you guys are following me along on there as well. I do different things on different social media platforms. And then, yeah, I will see you guys, in my weekly vlogs, which I post weekly and weekend vlogs on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Forgot about that. I told you, I'm like really thrown off with just posting about one, because normally I do my bag first and then my other one afterwards. And I feel like this video was like, you know, incomplete in a way, but that's okay. We're gonna make a second video, so it's fine for you guys. But yeah, so like I said, make sure you guys are subscribed, because yeah, we do weekly vlog and weekend vlog, and then I will see you guys in my next one.